keep on thrifting. Thrift life. It's not just thrifty living, it's living thrifty. And keep recycling your money back into your community. I am here on Beach Boulevard up here in Jacksonville at the Hubbard House. Hubbard House has done some wonderful things for the community. They've been here for a long time, very well known. Please go to fabulousfindsad.com, read their story and what they've done for the community up here. So we're going to go inside and see what they have to offer and give them some more maps. Go to fabulousfindsad.com and check out the interactive maps. You will find all of these locations. Just click on it and it will take you to them. We divided it up into Flagler County, St. Johns County. Duval is 3 sections, east, central, and west. And the way we did it is you can hit all of these stores on these maps in one day. So go to the maps and check it out and download them and keep on thrifting, and I'll see you inside. Okay, inside the Hubbard House thrift store on Beach Boulevard, and they have dollar racks inside. So there's some really nice clothing for $1. If you're ever in need of that outfit that you need to go shopping in to shop for more clothes and you only want to spend $1, here it is. Did that make sense? Probably not, but $1. And all these racks in here, their clothing is not that expensive. They also have a lot of dinnerware and dishware and picture frames, and get really crafty. And also go to our Captain Thrifty group page, because a lot of people will buy things from here and reclaim it, refurbish it, redo it, repair it, and make it into something else. So that's where you post and share your ideas. The best of the best will be in our Thrift Lifestyle magazine that will be coming out also. So thrifters, keep on thrifting and come on here to Hubbard House Thrift Store and shop. See you later.